Now we would like to call our administrator, Mrs. Iqbal, to say a few words.
Good morning to you all. A very good day to you. Mr. Chairman, ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to have this opportunity to welcome you all and speak a few words after about 10 years. We were not able to hold a function like this earlier. Better late than never. We can always make it up by warmth of our heart at any shortcoming we might have committed in the past due to reasons which would hardly avoid. As we all know, the whole nation is going through a difficult phase which may not be our own creation. The picture of the rest of the world does not look any better either. During the last decade, some changes have taken place in the English medium education system. The most important perhaps is the change of hands between the UK London University and the Edexcel with their headquarters located in New Delhi. As a result, we got more attention now than before. Bangladeshi students are doing some better than before in their studies with their strengthening of the Edexcel headquarters in Dhaka office. We find it easier to run our school activities which took over the responsibilities from the British Council in running the system. Unfortunately, the academic fees have been increased substantially, making it harder on the parents. Recently, we have installed digital electronic system at some price, which is providing substantial help to the students as well as the teachers. The use of system is increasing gradually as more and more students and teachers are getting acquainted with this modern electronic system. We hope to make it use more elaborate and more rewarding. Distinguished guests, you are all aware of how our day-to-day life is changing due to painful political differences among the politicians. In short, politics is becoming more and more difficult than before, so much so that getting out on the streets has become a test of courage. Use of firearms and explosive has become a common incident. It looks like it is going to increase with the passing days, and life of innocent citizens is becoming full of danger and distress. This change has made the lives of our guardians as well as the students very difficult. The least we could is to request our guardians to remain very cautious about the movement of our little ones. In spite of all these difficulties, we have installed modern education implements at some cost, which has made it somewhat easier for the teachers and the students. The system seems working very well. We have also taken pains to reorganize our campus with substantial changes made to the classroom to accommodate and to make classroom performance easier to students as well as teachers. We are thinking of more improvement of our system by the use of educational implements that are slowly being developed constantly in advanced countries. There has been a substantial increase in the number of teachers as well as teaching aides. Our students are doing well, although their numbers are not so high, as many of them move to private coaching centers. This is true for almost all schools, big or small. Our students are taking interest in extracurricular activities like participating in debate competition and drama. On the whole, in spite of hardships, our academic and extracurricular activities are on the increase. I have taken some time of you. Hope you will forgive me, and thank you all for giving me a patient hearing.